Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how to receive purchase orders with SwiftCOUNT with platforms connected to Lightspeed. So let's get started. Let's pretend we created a purchase order 261. It has 3 items in it, and each one of these items has a defined quantity to be received, right? So what I'll do is I'll go to orders as we usually do. We have 2 options, of course, is to one, import the order by demand, or we could wait for the 10 minutes to for the automatic sync to kick in, and then the order would come automatically. So in this scenario, I'll just I'll illustrate how to bring the order by demand. So it would be order 261. So I'll import specific order. I'll type in here the numbers 261. I'll run the sync, and that inserts the order 261. So here's the order 261, and you have also different features available now with this new update, is to include new items in the order. So you can update your order if by any chance you forgot to order an item, or you realize that you needed an additional quantity for a specific item. You can also do that. So for example, we have 3 items here, and I will add another one. I'll add another item to the order. I'll add anything. I'll just select this one. And now I have 4 items. And I'm gonna say that I need 4 of it. So same idea here. We can wait for the 10 minutes to kick in, so the order gets updated, or we can also update the order by demand. In this case, I'll do the second one. So I'll click here and I'll say import specific order 261, and I will sync it. So we see that it got updated here on the updated tab. Now let's import it to the phone. So I'll just import it manually. All right, so I have 4 items now, and let's start receiving the order. Let's say that I only received 1 of them. I want to show you how to partially receive the order, and let's say I only received one quantity for each item. So I'll process the order as usual to populate the fields in Lightspeed. So if you know that you're receiving the order tomorrow or in a couple of days, you will leave the order open by just leaving this button off, which is the black color black. So I'll confirm. And if I go to Lightspeed and I refresh my tab, I refresh my portal, we will see that now all of our items are in the received in the received field. Now we see the items here. Now next step is to add receive items to inventory. I click OK. And the cool thing is that you can still keep receiving the order with SwiftCount later. So let's say again that and I'll show you how the platform looks now on SwiftCount. So if I look back at my orders, I would see that this order has been partially received by 40%. So I'll keep adding more quantities to the order. I'm gonna keep receiving them, and again I receive them partially. Let's say that I'm gonna process it as is, and I'm not gonna close the order. I will confirm. Perfect. I reload the Lightspeed again, and now I'm gonna see the order with the new added quantities for the order. So as opposed to the first version, or the V1, let's call it the V1 order receiving orders, now we're able to see the quantities here. So again, it says that I received 2, 1, and 1 in this opportunity. Then I will do the same thing. I will add this item to inventory. And of course, it will keep adding up to the order, to the quantities here. So it says now that I have completed 2 out of 4 of the orders. So if I'm ready, if I know that I'm not going to receive anything else, I will proceed to close the order from SwiftCount, and then I will finish the order here. So that would be the very last step in this scenario. So that was all. Thanks for watching.